This is the world's shortest guide to get started with Supabase. So even if you have never heard of it or you have never ever used a backend before, I'm sure you find this video helpful. So let's keep it simple and let's get started. Supabase is like Firebase, but it's open source. It gives you a real-time database, login/sign-up system, file storage, and a place to run your backend code. You don't need to write a whole backend because it gives you one. So to get started, go to supabase.com and sign up. Then click New Project, give it a name, choose a password and hit Create. Takes a few seconds to set up. Now let's add some data. Click Table Editor. This is like a spreadsheet. Create a new table and add columns like first name, last name, or even email. Then click Save and that's it. Now connect Supabase to your app. Click App Settings and then API. Copy the URL and the unknown key. Then use this code right here to connect, assuming that you're using React. To get data from the database, use this. It will return everything in the user's table, just like magic. And like that, you have connected your app to a real backend. No servers, no stress. Comment if you want a full beginner series on Supabase and subscribe for more world's shortest guides like this.